Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're not doing this one yet. I'm Mike. This is 3D printing at home. If you want to see these, get unboxed, set up, put together, and using it, like this video, subscribe to the channel. You'll get notifications when these videos actually drop. So I'm going to clear this table and then we'll work on what we're actually doing today. See you in a minute. So, what is one thing that we have a problem with when we start 3D printing? We start doing a lot of prints. The one problem that I have personally, and I know that there's other people that have it, is the fact that you have nowhere to put your filament. I purchased this. It's a 7-tier filament rack from Vevor. So we're gonna unbox it together, and then we'll display it. So let's get after it. Start unboxing and assembling this. Right now I have all my filament in bins, which works, but it's rather inconvenient. So this will at least have the filament exposed so I can see it, see what the color is. Because in the bins, you can't see what color it is. You really can't. So I have a spot where I want to set this up. Got instructions. I got those. Future instructions. Not very okay. Gotcha. Simple. There's not a whole lot. Let me show you this. Not a whole lot in these instructions. I mean, it does show you. Has lots of words. I don't like words. Putting this thing together, not reading a book. So, does show the parts, shows where they go, gives you a rough idea, and then you put it together from there. I mean, straightforward, simple. If you guys can see that, I'm looking at it. You can't see it, can you? Yeah, you can. So, what's the top? Yeah, I threw the instructions over there. All right, we got hooks, which I don't believe I'm going to use. I might find another use for them. Because why waste? No waste. So, let's put that out. Mess it out. Lay everything out. Like I said, separate the screws. One side screw, right side screws. Drop them on the floor. Right down. These are feet. That's what it is. Make sure fresh. Let's get these separated. Let me pack everything. Try to make the video as simple and short as possible, but I think it's going to be a 2-part video. Okay, so let's thread it. We're going to get right to it. Just do that. The less parts we have floating around, the better. But right now, the hard part's on. Bad enough chasing screws around and stuff. So you need to get something in. Try to put it together. That looks like a top piece. There's no holes here. There's holes here, and there's holes going up the sides. So obviously, keep crossbars going up the sides. See that? It's like I said, holes here, 2 holes at the bottom, nothing on the top. This is the very top piece. So we're gonna step that aside down here. I mean, so this instruction is very basic. Realistically, you don't need too much instruction with this. Another top piece with the holes in the bottom, and nothing on the holes on the top. Those are the bottom. Now we got. So this, I'm assuming, is the top because there's holes. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's holes there. I want to say those are the ones that go on the feet. So let's assemble it. Like I said, as soon as you get a part, you can assemble it. The less hardware you have hanging out, the less you get knocked down, the less they disappear. So we're going to assemble, because we have both top, we're going to assemble one complete side. Open now. I've gotten a few things from Vevor. I hope I'm saying their name right, but and I rather like their stuff. It's not bad. More the things that I've got, it's not bad. All right, so bottom section. And bring it down there. We're gonna do the top section. You know what? Realistically, I'm gonna go get what I said. I'm gonna assemble the faces, and I'm gonna get the bottom section put together. Then I'll put the top together. Then I'll put together. I know I said I wasn't going to do that, but I wasn't making a video. That might be the way I've done it, but because I'm doing a video, I'm going to do it this way, and some people might work better that way. At least you'll have the bottom section put together. All you have to do is stand the top section out of the way. It'll be stable, won't be flopping around. I know it's 3D printing at home, and I'd like to, do videos where we'll fix a machine or doing a print, and that's the kind of things I want to do. Failed prints and things I run into, and show everybody how I solved that problem that I've had, whatever it may be, whatever arises. So, we got both legs put together. That was. Well, I'm assuming that these are top sections. But I don't know why there was some on the top and some on the bottom here. They had 4 on the top, whatever. But we're not going to overanalyze this. So take a screw. There's your hole. This is really simple. Like I said, the instructions didn't have a whole lot of pictures. It's not a whole lot of steps. Because there's really not much to it. Get it down there. Yeah, so I mean, I want to do unboxing videos. I know this more was, I'm not printing anything, I'm not doing anything with the machine, but this is kind of part of the support system. This helps you with doing the prints. Just hoping you film it for you. I'm going to post the link. I'm going to try to post the link in the description for this. I'm new to doing videos, so I'm going to have some headaches and hiccups, so please bear with me. But I have some failed print videos coming up and how I dealt with them, because that's important. You need the support system. You need the info. I had to figure a lot out on my own, and it can be discouraging. I like to tinker. I like to do things. I like when problems arise, because it gives me something to figure out. And fortunately, it's my entire job as well, but this is a hobby, one of many of my hobbies. I want to create some other channels too. Try to do tool reviews. I'm good at tool reviews, I believe. I haven't done any, but I know a lot about tools because I use them all the time. Whether it be in a hobby, whether it be in my career. So I think tool reviews would be good. So in the future, for the channels that have had me in them, the tool review thing I might try to do sooner than later, but we'll see.